God, it's very late. How long am I going to wait here? I want to leave.
Wow! What a beautiful car! I have never seen such an amazing and luxury car over here. Oh, he must be the owner. He has to be a millionaire man or a businessman. Hello, sir. I'm sorry to bother you, but is this your car? It's so beautiful.
Oh, hello. This car? Of course. This is my car. Do you like it?
Of course. I love it. I had never seen these kinds of cars over here.
Well, I'm glad you like it. I have recently bought this car, so it's almost new.
I see. Well, I have to leave. I am working right now. I should not be here.
Wait. Let's talk for a while. What do you do for a living?
As you can see, I am a housekeeper. I work near here. In this town. 2 blocks from here.
Oh, that's good. I mean, you probably do a lot of things every day as a housekeeper, right?
Well, yeah. I would like to tell you everything I do every day, but I don't think you.
No. I want to listen to you. I have plenty of time. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I have to wake up early every day. I usually take a shower and brush my teeth. After that, I normally prepare the family's breakfast. They usually eat pancakes.
Wait, then, you don't exercise after you get up in the morning? What time do you do it?
What? No, I don't exercise. I used to do it, but not anymore. I don't have time to exercise. I have to do a lot of things during the day. Why do you say that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you exercise. Since you look healthy and in a good shape.
Thanks for that. Well, no, I don't exercise. I do yoga sometimes, but not every day. Then, I have to help the children get dressed. They have to go to school in the morning as always. Then, I do the chores. I have to sweep, mop the floor, wash the dishes, and clean the house. That's basically what I do all day every day. You must be thinking I am a boring person.
What? No, of course not. I would never say that. You work really hard and that's great.
Well, I'm sure it's nothing compared to your busy routine. Am I right?
Well, no. I mean, I do a lot of things, but I think you're exaggerating a little.
Exaggerating? No, I'm not. You're a millionaire. You have a lot of money. And I'm sure you know a lot of people. Famous and interesting people. Wow. Come on. Tell me about your routine. What do you usually do every day?
You know, I am a rich person, so I have my own gym in the house. That's normal. Then I tell my housekeepers to make some healthy breakfast for me. We, the millionaires, have to be always healthy and in a very good shape, since we do many things. I usually eat my breakfast in the garden table, which is next to the big swimming pool. I have to eat alone because I am single. I never got married and I'm fine with that. After that, I brush my teeth and take a shower. I use a special shampoo. For rich people. Then, I have to go to my walk-in closet. It's a really big one. I have a lot of clothes. Sometimes I can take hours just to decide what to use that day. I get dressed and check my laptop. It's a Mac. I check my emails, from rich and important people. I have to answer them and also sign some contracts for my employees. I have a lot of them. I have like 100 people working for me, so I have to supervise them every day. Then, I have to go to check my companies. I have many of them around the city. Obviously, I don't take the train, bus or a taxi because I have my expensive car. I don't cook, of course. I don't have time for that. So, I usually eat in a luxury restaurant. I normally spend $1,000 or $2,000 in my lunch. Just a little of money. After having lunch, I take a nap. Usually in my big garden or in a club. I joined a club recently. It's one of the most famous and important clubs of the country. VIP Club Center. There, I swim, drink some vodka or whiskey. I don't drink beer. That's for poor people. I also play golf or cricket. Sometimes I also play tennis with my rich friends from the club. Then, I get back home. I don't watch TV because that's also for poor people. So, I have my dinner. I normally have some cereal or tea with some lemon. That's it. Then I check my email again before going to bed and that's how my day ends. What do you think about it? Impressive, right? I know. I am a millionaire.
I have to admit it. It's impressive. Your life is so interesting and awesome.
That's something normal for me. And what do you do in the evenings? Do you like going to the movies or to any other place to have fun? Or you don't go out?
I don't usually go out because I don't have much time, but if you ask me out,
Of course I am asking you out. Would you like to go to the movies with me? Or where would you like?
I am not sure. I suppose you know a lot of places, so you decide it by yourself.
Okay. I will take you to the best restaurant in the town, but it is a little far from here.
But this, next to us, is the best restaurant in the town. Why don't we come here?
What? No. I mean, we would eat here, but I am tired of these luxury places. Why don't we go to one of these cheap, I mean typical restaurants? They look interesting.
But I eat in those restaurants every day. That's boring for me. But, okay.
Yeah, a rich person like me is bored of the money and luxury things. Please, understand. So, why don't we go out tonight? I'll pick you up at about 7 o'clock. Oh, and I have to leave my car in the garage. My mechanic will fix a problem it has. So, is it okay if we walk a little? I am also bored of driving every day. Please.
But, I walk every day. I want you to bring this amazing car. You're a millionaire, so.
Hey, I'm back. Sorry I took so long. I had to call one of my partners, but I'm here. Oh, I see you washed my car. Thank you. I will give you a good tip. Good job.